How to import products of animal origin, POAO, into Great Britain, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Welcome to this quick guide on importing products of animal origin into Great Britain. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through the essentials, including what products are covered, the paperwork you need, and how to submit your declarations smoothly. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to navigate the requirements and avoid common pitfalls. Understanding products of animal origin. Products of animal origin can include meat, eggs, dairy, honey, and other items derived from animals. If your goods contain these materials, whether they originated in the EU or entered the EU from a non-EU source and passed necessary checks, they will need to meet specific rules when arriving in Great Britain. Understanding which category your product falls into is essential for deciding which steps to follow. Key documents and risk categories. All these imports are labeled either low risk or medium risk. Medium risk products usually need a health certificate, while low risk items typically require a commercial document. If there is no official health certificate for your specific product, you may need an import license. Having the right paperwork ready will ensure that your goods clear border checks without undue delay. You can find more details through government guidance notes and official sources to verify that your supplier is approved and that your country of origin is on the approved list. POAOs, notifications. To notify the authorities about your import, you must use the Import of Products, Animals, Food, and Feed system, also known as POAOs. You should submit your notification at least 1 working day before your goods are due to arrive. Once the notification is submitted, you will receive a unique notification number. This does not need to appear on your physical health certificate, but it is critical for tracking your consignment and ensuring a smooth entry process. Partnering with Customs Declarations UK. Navigating the complexities of customs declarations for products of animal origin can be challenging. Customs Declarations UK streamlines this process via an intuitive platform. It assists with completing the correct declarations and helps you stay compliant with border control regulations. By using this platform, you can minimize delays and additional costs, and submit your customs declarations accurately and confidently for a more efficient import process. Conclusion. Importing products of animal origin into Great Britain does not have to be complicated. By determining the risk category of your goods, ensuring the right documents are in place, submitting your POAOs notifications in time, and using a dedicated service like Customs Declarations UK, you can avoid many of the challenges importers often face. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your importing journey. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.